In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make cuts within your clips on the CapCut app. So let us begin. First of all, open up the CapCut application and create your new project, or open up any of your old ones. Once your project is opened up, you can import your desired files using the import button. Once you have your files, you can drag your clips onto your timeline, and you can watch the preview by pressing the spacebar or by using the play button. Now, if at any point you would like to cut within your clip, then there are three kinds of cuts that you can make. Just pause the vertical bar at the location where you would like to make your cut. And now, among the three different cut options, if you choose the delete right option by clicking on this icon or by pressing the W button on your keyboard, the section of the clip at the right of this vertical bar will be deleted. Now let's undo this by pressing Ctrl Z, and let's talk about the other cut. Alongside this, you will find the delete left option. If you click on this button or press the Q shortcut, then the section of the clip left of the vertical bar will be removed. Let's undo this once again. And finally, the split button or the shortcut of Ctrl B can be used when you want to cut the clips into two different parts. By using the split option, you can change the speed of a different section of the video and perform various different other actions. You can also cut middle part of the video. Let's say, for example, I would like to remove the middle section of this clip. Then I can simply split between the two sections of the clip that I want to remove and simply delete this part to now achieve my shorter clip. And with this method, you can cut your videos, your audio files, as well as image clip within your project. And there you have it. That is how you can cut clips within your edits on the CapCut application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and also subscribe to our channel for more useful updates in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.